Jesus is the center. Jesus is the center. Jesus is the center of it all. Christmas whisper, a timeless truth. Jesus the cornerstone, forever and ever. It's not just a season, but a way to be the center of life, the heart of you and me. He was born in a manger, humble and low. He calls to be born in us, don't you know? A daily invitation to make him the stone, the foundation of your life. Wherever we build, wherever we go, Jesus, the center of our lives. Jesus, the center of it all. In our family ties, in our business plans, in the networks wise, or in career in hands. Jesus is the center. Jesus is the center. He is the principal stone, our guiding light. Oh, the one who makes everything, our endeavor shine. Jesus at the center. Jesus be the center. Jesus is the center. Every season, every day. Jesus, the center of our lives. Jesus, the center of it all. In our family ties, in our business plans, in the networks wise, or in career in hands. Jesus is the center. Jesus is the center. He is the principal stone, our guiding light. Oh, our guiding light. Oh, wonderful counselor, my guiding light. Oh, Jesus, everlasting Father. Jesus, Prince of Peace. Oh, Jesus the Messiah. Jesus born in Bethlehem. Jesus, the center of our lives. Jesus, the center of it all. In our family ties, in our business plans, in the networks wise, or in career in hands. Jesus is the center. Jesus is the center. He is the principal stone, our guiding light. Oh, Jesus at the center. Jesus be the center. Jesus is the center. Every season, every day.